Welcome to the channel. Whether you're new here or returning, today's topic is environmental health and safety. Please be advised that this video is intended solely for educational purposes. Let's dive in. Environmental health and safety, also known as EHS, is a concept that focuses on how the state of the environment might affect health and safety. This also encompasses how social, mental, and physical characteristics can promote or degrade people's health and well-being. EHS exists to act in the prevention of potential harm. However, it focuses on the state of the environment and how it may have a direct impact on health and safety. Additionally, EHS also entails working with other stakeholders, including employees, employers, and the government. This is because all role players should contribute to the health and safety of themselves, others, and the environment. If you're finding value in this video, please show your appreciation by giving it a thumbs up. Furthermore, EHS also urges all stakeholders to collaborate to eliminate any potential hazards that may occur because of environmental disturbance. Failure to manage these potential or present dangers could result in harm, disease, and death. It's important to note that EHS can impact anyone, whether they work or not. There are numerous career options available, including Environmental Health and Safety Officer, Environmental Specialist, Environmental Technician, and Compliance Officer. To explore additional career opportunities in environmental health, watch the linked video above, which is also accessible in the description. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share this video, and leave a comment. See you next time.